This Century 21 Keiser Company real estate property video is presented by Debbie Taylor. Best of both worlds. Lake access and Texas Hill Country together in one, located in the peaceful Woodland Hills subdivision of Granite Shoals, within walking distance of Woodland Hills Park and public boat ramp that gives access to beautiful Lake LBJ. Build your dream home and start enjoying the hill country. These lots provide a gently sloping lot with trees and a beautiful Texas Hill Country view. Adjoining lots 332 and 333, Burnet CAD Property IDs 46,239 and 46,240, are also available for purchase at $39,000. While the area is zoned as Area of Minimal Flood Hazard, Zone X, the home did not flood in the 500-year flood of 2018. Go ahead and drive by and look.